I'm thrilled to share with you a super easy recipe that's about to take your taste buds on a wild ride: crunchy custard pastry. In a pan, I started by combining approximately 250 milliliters of carnation milk with 50 milliliters of regular milk over low to medium heat. With a whisker in hand, I stirred in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, followed by just the right amount of sweetness, 1 tablespoon of sugar, though feel free to adjust to your liking. Then, the pièce de résistance, 2 tablespoons of custard powder, ensuring to whisk vigorously to prevent any lumps from forming. It's all about achieving that perfect consistency, neither too runny nor too thick. I carefully cut phyllo leaves into strips and stacked 3 of them together. Working quickly to prevent the custard cream from drying out, I spread it evenly over the phyllo leaves before rolling them into delightful bundles of goodness. Don't forget to brush a touch of yellow egg yolk on top for that irresistible golden hue. Now, into the oven they go, baking at 350 degrees for approximately 25 minutes. And there you have it. Our crunchy custard pastry emerges from the oven, a symphony of flavors and textures ready to be devoured. Hey, wonderful people! If you're vibing with my recipes, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and join my channel, Masha Cooking Tales. I would love to notify you each time I prepare a new dish. Let's rock this together. Love you all.